Well, a breaking update, the Bombay High Court has dismissed a petition filed by independent MLA from Amravati, Ravi Rana, and his wife MP Navneet Rana for quashing the second FIR over the row to recite the Hanuman Chalisa row. So this is the big update in terms of the Rana couple who've been lodged in jail. Let me straight go across to Radhika, who's joining me. Radhika, so we're given to understand that the plea to quash the second FIR has been dismissed. What are the details?
That's right. The Bombay High Court dismissed the plea to quash the second FIR, which is to do with IPC section 353, which has got to do with obstructing a public servant from carrying his or her duty. Now, court made several observations. One, it said that a declaration outside the residence or public space is certainly a breach of personal liberty. It could result in disturbance of law and order, and that's what happened. And state government is justified to carrying out its actions. People in political public life are expected to act responsibly, and with great power comes great responsibility. This is the observation made by Bombay High Court, clearly slamming the Ranas. Of course, the public prosecutor, however, said that the Ranas' intention was, to overthrow the government. Motive was not as pure and simple as just to read Hanuman Chalisa, where he was talking about the sedition charge that was made, for which the public prosecutor was stating that the Ranas wanted to challenge the entire state machinery, and it was a cold-blooded and premeditated action by Ranas. Now, court also went about observing that it is high time that people in responsible position behave respectfully and responsibly, and therefore the court is pained to make this observation, and better sense should prevail. And whatever the court has been saying over the last so many years has been fallen on deaf ears. So yes, the Bombay High Court literally slamming the Ranas, the action they took, which led to, disruption of peace, disruption of law and order, and thereby also quashing the second FIR with respect to section 353 of IPC, which is about obstructing a public servant from performing his or her duty.
That's right, Radhika, thank you so much for getting us those details. So definitely a setback for the Rana couple, where their plea to quash the second FIR has been dismissed. Thank you so much for getting us those breaking updates. In some more breaking updates, Assam police have re-arrested Gujarat MLA Jignesh Mawani in connection with another case right after he was granted bail in the matter connected to his tweets on Prime Minister Modi. So this is the big breaking update at this hour. In fact, for more inputs, Nibir joins me live on the broadcast. Nibir, so we're seeing that first he was granted bail for his tweets on Prime Minister Modi. That case was heard. His bail was agreed on. He was granted bail, but soon after the Assam police have re-arrested him. What is the second case that he's been arrested in? And also give us a recap to our viewers about the first case in which he was granted bail.
Yes, just hours after his bail was given, another case was filed at the Borpeta police station. This time, mind you, the previous case was in Kokrajhar police station, and this time another case has been filed at the Borpeta police station. And within minutes of we got to know that within an hour that he has been again re-arrested for that particular case that was lodged at the Borpeta police station. However, the nature of the case is yet to be out. However, the case has been registered there, and the first case was registered. To get you a background of the matter, the first the FIR was lodged on April 19. On April 20, the Kokrajhar police station, where the FIR was initially launched, had visited Gujarat to pick Mewani, and on April 21, 3-day police custody was given by the CJM court in Kokrajhar, and today that court had given him the bail. But however, within an hour of the bail, he has been re-arrested, and this time for a case that is linked with the Borpeta police station in Lower Assam.
All right, Nibir, thank you so much for getting us up to speed with all those breaking updates.